Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2014 BMW 220i. Now of course you do get your LED angel eyes, LED headlights, front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant 18-inch alloy wheels finished in silver. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. But coming around to the rear now, we've also got your rear parking sensors. Then coming into the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which you can fold down with either of these levers just here. Then going back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Now of course, with this being a two-door, to get into the boot, or into the back seat, sorry, you do need to pull the chair forward with this lever just here. You've got full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then also got your 8-speed gearbox in the middle. iDrive controls are just here as well. Then of course we have your drive select, of which you can choose between Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. Now if the car is in Sport Plus and the gearbox is in Sport, it does then activate launch control. We've got your dual climate control with 2 front heated seats. Then we've got your media controls just here. Within the Pro Nav on the iDrive, you can see that we do have your external devices. So you've got Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, you've got CD and DVD as well. Then we've also got your various audio sources. So we've got FM, AM, DAB. Going into your telephone, we've got your you've got phone book, last number redial, you've got your Bluetooth hands-free in there, satellite navigation. Whilst I am up top, you'll notice that we do also have your Harman Kardon as well. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your speed limiter, cruise control and the setting on the reset on the left hand side. Over to the right we have your source, a volume, Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. Your onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk, and you do also have automatic windscreen wipers. As you can see, this 2 Series has done 66,464 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this BMW 220i, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.